All right, we on 1 and 2, about to get a roll on. See my man Dale and myself, JP Chevy, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Go ahead with it.
Carolina shirt, that'd be a strike, man. Hey, you got a one, you got a split. I ain't All right, now y'all boys take it. All right.
Little Ollie out there. Little Ollie out there.
What, 10? That's split. I had 4 of them, I'm missing all 4. Okay, that's one, right? That's what I did. I missed them all together.
see what I say about that doggone black lady. He ain't do that yet. When she get locked up, she locked. He got a little sickness going on. He got a damn lady too in. She locked in. She locked. Miss that. I throw it like that. That's it, baby. Woo, that boy's smart. We're going for a long time.
You just started yesterday.
I said, that's what you want to do. If I started yesterday, I know I'm pretty good. So I had a 633 set.
I'll take it. Good old Lanes is oily, man. 192, 168, man. Dale got the pin that he can't hit a practice for, and he missed it. God dang it. Don't worry, we're gonna tighten up, y'all. We're gonna tighten up. Hey, man, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, I'll be able to travel to y'all guys, man, and bowl with y'all, man. That's my guy Dale right there. You know what I'm saying? And this JP Chevy behind the cameras with the voice. Hey, we out. Got a little Frick right here, man. That's my guy, Lil Frick, man. Yes.
But I don't know how you do it. Don't know how you do it, man. I mean, dudes get it.
Yo, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, click that bell so you can be notified every time that I upload.